start nice and easy. Just a nice little jog on the spot. 45 seconds. Keep your heart rate elevated. So it's going to help you with the next few exercises as well. So yeah, this is going to be a nice, easy 5-minute full body workout. You know, you can do from home, as you can see. I don't have loads of space here. I've literally just got a little bit of space that I've made between the desk, the table and the sofa. So this is just something you can do anywhere. You can take this 5-minute workout anywhere with you. Alright, we're going to have another little rest for about 15 seconds before we do the next one, which is we do some push-ups, just to open up the chest. Again, this is a good one for your chest and your triceps as well. So again, another workout you can take anywhere with you. So let's go, 45 seconds, sorry, the push-ups. Right now, just take your time with this. You know, if it's easier that you find that you do, 10, 15, you do that. So I'm going to check the timer on my watch. It likes to disappear. 15 seconds left. Again, not disappeared anyway. Alright, last one. Here we go. Alright, shake it out a little bit. That's it. If you can only do, 10, 15, 20 of those instead of 45 seconds, then that's fine. There's no problem with that. Right, we're going to do squats now, which are fantastic for your legs. So let's go. If you know anything about exercising, it's very important that you work your legs. You're going to need these for the rest of your life. It's very important that we give them some workout. There's also a real thing where people don't really train their legs. That's why you hear that saying, never skip leg day, eh? Right, there we go. Shake it out. Imagine you're feeling it after about 45 seconds of that. Right, we're going to do one of my favourite core exercises now, which is the flat kicks. So you're going to need to lay down for this one. And then just kind of do this. So you elevate your, as you can see, my shoulders are off the ground. And my feet are not touching the ground either. So you just do this for 45 seconds. You really start to feel it in your core. Like I said, this is one of my favourites. I normally do when I go to the gym or at home. I'll make sure I do maybe like 4 sets of 45 seconds. Like we're doing now with a 15-second break. Right, last one. I saved the best for last. I'm just going to do some burpees now for the last 45 seconds. Again, these are great for the whole body. So, let's go, shall we? Just going to do standard burpees here. Nothing crazy. No Navy SEAL burpees today. So I want something nice and simple that you can do anywhere. That's it. And this is a workout you can take anywhere with you. You can do this at home like me, or you can go to the park and do this. You are welcome. Go to the park and do this. Alright, and you can rest for the last 15 seconds, catch your breath. Well done. That's a nice So yeah, well done, congratulations. That's a nice 5-minute workout you can do anywhere. That does your whole body. We've done your chest, we've done arms, we've done legs, core, cardio, back. We've hit everything there with that workout. Like I said, it's nice and easy. You can take it anywhere with you. Don't need loads of space. You can do it at home like me. You can take it out and about. If you go to the gym and want to do it at the gym. You know, that's one circuit. If you want to do 2 circuits of that, really get your body going, really get your heart rate up. See you in the next one.